Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apple strudel using pastry sheets. The reason is it's a simple, great dish for any occasion. First, we're going to take one mixing bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of applesauce. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of crushed pistachios, followed by half a cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to mix it thoroughly to combine. Following that, we're going to take 1 pastry sheet. What I use here is phyllo dough, but you can use puff pastry if you desire. Next, I put 1 teaspoon and I brushed the clarified butter on top of the pastry sheet, followed by another pastry sheet, followed by another tablespoon of clarified butter. Next, repeat this process 3 more times. Finally, we're going to add our mixture. Spread evenly throughout each corner. It doesn't have to completely cover your product, but have enough to hold its texture. Finally, we're going to gently glide the bottom piece. We're going to roll over gently, slowly, until you get a complete roll. It will resemble a rolled towel. Next, we're going to take some of that clarified butter and brush on another tablespoon of clarified butter on top of that. Finally, we're going to take our product, we're going to put it into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. What you have is a crispy, flaky apple strudel.